Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a gradient border in Webflow. This technique is perfect for making elements on your website stand out with a vibrant, eye-catching border that adds depth and visual interest to your designs. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to webflow.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard where you can see all your projects and sites. In your dashboard, navigate to the All Sites section. Here you'll see a collection of all the websites you've been working on. Hover your mouse over the specific site where you want to create the gradient border. When you hover, you'll notice an option appear that says Open in Webflow. Click on that to launch the designer interface for your chosen site. Once you're inside the Webflow designer, locate and click on the element that currently has the border you want to transform into a gradient border. This could be a button, a container, an image frame, or any other element with a border applied. Selecting it will bring up all the styling options on the right side of your screen. Now, shift your attention to the right panel where all your styling controls live. Navigate down to the background section and you'll see it clearly labeled. Right next to the words image and gradient, there's a plus icon. Click on that plus icon to add a new background layer to your element. This is the key step that allows you to apply gradient effects. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see a new panel appear with various options. Look for the section labeled Type. Here you'll find several gradient options including linear gradient, radial gradient, and color overlay. Select your preferred gradient type based on the look you're going for. Linear gradient creates a straight directional flow of colors, while radial gradient spreads colors from a central point outward. Once you've selected your gradient type, it's time to customize the colors. Click on the color picker tool that appears. This will open up a full spectrum where you can choose any color you desire for your gradient. After selecting your first color, you can adjust the gradient's appearance by using the slider controls. These sliders let you fine-tune where each color begins and ends, giving you complete control over the gradient's transition and intensity. And there you have it. You've successfully created a gradient border in Webflow that adds a modern, polished look to your design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.